In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Monday.com. If you want to keep a board visible only to specific people, creating a private board is a great option. This is especially useful when you're working on sensitive projects, internal planning, or anything that shouldn't be accessible to everyone in your workspace. The good news is that setting this up is very quick and simple. To begin, go to your Monday.com workspace and look for the icon beside the workspace area. This is where you can start creating something new. Click that icon to open the creation menu. Once the menu appears, select board and then choose new board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a fresh board from scratch rather than opening an existing one. If you're new to the platform, this is the standard starting point for building a board that fits your specific needs. After that, you'll be asked to make a title for your board. Enter a clear and relevant name so it's easy to recognize later. A descriptive title is helpful not only for organization, but also for quickly identifying the purpose of the board if you create multiple boards over time. Keep the name simple and specific to the project or workflow you're managing. Next, look for the privacy type options. This is the important part if your goal is to make the board private. From the available privacy settings, click on Private. By choosing this option, the board will be restricted so only approved members can view or work inside it. This helps you control access and maintain confidentiality where needed. Once you've selected Private, the final step is to click Create Board. As soon as you do that, Monday.com will generate your new private board and open it for you. From there, you can begin customizing it with groups, tasks, columns, owners, due dates, and any other details your workflow requires. A quick tip before you move on. After the board is created, you may want to review who has access to it so you can confirm the right people are included. That can help prevent confusion later, especially if you're collaborating with a small team. And that's all it takes to create a private board in Monday.com. It's a simple process, but it gives you much more control over who can see and manage your work.